message of hope, peace, and unity to millions of faithful around the world from the Vatican. The historic celebration drew pilgrims from different countries to St. Peter's Square. Jonathan Omanjali has more.
It was a solemn and symbolic Christmas at the Vatican as the Pope presided over his first Christmas Mass since ascending the papacy. Thousands of worshippers filled St. Peter's Basilica, while millions followed the celebration live across the globe. In his homily, the Pope called on humanity to embrace peace and compassion, especially in the world troubled by conflict and economic hardship.
Let us ask the Prince of Peace to illuminate Myanmar with the light of a future of reconciliation, restoring hope to the younger generations, guiding its entire people along paths of peace, and accompanying those who live without shelter, security, or confidence in tomorrow.
As the Christmas season continues, the Pope's message resonates far beyond the Vatican and provides spiritual guidance to Christians worldwide. Jonathan Omajali, NTA News.
In Abuja, the nation's capital, this year's Christmas church services resonated with messages of hope, unity, and the need for national coexistence. Christians converged on various workshop centers to reflect on the true meaning of the season. Obiamaka Marachuko files in the report.
Celebration for the faithful commemorating the birth of Jesus Christ. The Archbishop of the Methodist Church Nigeria, Most Reverend Michael Akinwale, enjoined Christians to use this period to promote national unity.
It's going to be a dawn of a new era, and all the challenges that we are passing through will become a thing of the past. I strongly believe that Nigeria will survive.
For the Catholic Archbishop of Abuja, Most Reverend Ignatius Kaigama, his message centered on emulating the virtues of Jesus Christ.
We may be undergoing challenges of different kinds, but we know that the Lord is there. And that is why Jesus is called Emmanuel.
At the Church of Anglican Communion, Holy Cross, Abuja, Vicar Obom Nadi centered his message on love, peace, and unity of purpose.
That same baby that could not be accommodated in a comfortable guest room is now the one accommodating the whole world.
But the problem we people have is that they celebrate the season. Our advice and encouragement and our word is that you celebrate the reason for the season.
At the Baptist Church, Reverend Tom Tokotare called on Christians to be Christ-like.
So as we celebrate Christmas today, it's just for us to have at the back of our minds that God came to sort our problems. Now, if the same problem is sorted out, every other problem is sorted out.
You must search for him. Deliberately search for him. Use valuable time to search for him. And when you find him, worship him and keep him.
Prayers were offered for sustainable peace, unity, and development of the country. In Abuja, Omeka Marachuku, NTA News.
As Christians in Ijebu Ode today join their counterparts across the globe to commemorate the joy that birth of Jesus Christ brought to mankind. Anthony Ganduno, who worship with faithful in Ijebu Ode metropolis, who converged to express their appreciation for the uncommon love of God, and brings in the report.
Speaking on the sermon entitled Lessons and Benefits of the Birth of Jesus Christ, the General Overseer Pentecostal Sanctuary Bible Ministries, Odo-Egbo, Ijebu Ode, Prophet Sunday Dari Inyandi said, the birth of Jesus Christ is an unquantifiable gift from God that must be appreciated by mankind. The cleric described Mary and Joseph as faithful and just individuals before God chose to use them to fulfill his promise of gift to the world. Prophet Inyuade, who berated the level of moral decadence among children of nowadays, admonished parents to train their children in the way of the Lord for them to be useful to God and themselves in future.
Can we find the justice in our family? Can we find blemish, unblemished woman in our family? Can we find the
Christ Apostolic Church, Shonobi District Coordinating Council Headquarters, Ijebu Ode, the Superintendent, Pastor Gabriel Akinwale, highlighted some of the significance of Christmas.
Christmas talks about love. Christmas talks about joy. Christmas talks about sacrifice. Because the Bible says, when we are the enemy of God, Christ dies for us. So we need to sacrifice for one another. So in Nigeria today, if we have love of one another, we will not be terrorizing the country, either kidnapping one another, dodging in banditry work. But because we lack agape love.
The superintendent thereafter charged Nigerians to shun every act of evil and embrace love for one another for a secure and peaceful nation. In Ijebu Ode, Anthony Gandonu, NTA News.
Similarly, Christians world all over celebrate this year's Christmas. Faithful has been admonished to replicate the lessons at the birth of Jesus Christ, its significance for mankind in order to maximize the goodness there. This from the trust of messages at various Christmas church service across Abeokuta, Leko and Bonde report.
With acts of gratitude and thanksgiving for the grace of celebrating another Christmas day, Christians appeared in the presence of God to worship with hymns, songs of praise, and thanksgiving at the Cathedral of St. Peter Ake Abeokuta. The Anglican Bishop of Egba Diocese, Right Reverend Emmanuel Adekule, reflects on God's purpose for giving Christ as a gift to humanity, while the Presbyter Methodist Church Itesi Abeokuta, Very Reverend Samuel Sinyabola, admonished the congregation to receive the good news of the birth of Jesus Christ, who came to reconcile mankind with God.
God's plan to have orderliness, to restore peace, and give humanity an environment that is conducive. But man has been drifting each time back to darkness, and God is always around to provide solution, and Jesus Christ is the solution, and is the light to the world.
Christmas period is a period of exchanging love among brethren. What we have should be shared with others. Our heart should be free with others, and there should be this sense of thinking of somebody through me must have salvation.
At all the churches visited in Abeokuta, clergies admonished Christians to surrender their lives to Christ and display good work through the expression of unconditional love to others, just as Jesus exemplified.
Let's talk of our dear country, Nigeria, the so-called banditry, terrorists, or whatever they call themselves. We need peace. As a Christian, as a Nigerian, peace has eluded us, and we need it seriously. Because Jesus said in his word, my peace I leave to you, my own peace I give to you, not as world giveth. If that is the case, the whole world needs peace this time around.
They also advised Nigerians to emulate the virtues that Christ exemplified for the salvation of mankind. In Abeokuta, Lekon Agbode, NTA News.
You are watching Nta Ijebu Ode at 7. We're going on a short break. Please stay with us.
May every move you make this festive season radiate with joy. Glow Unlimited.
This year, Nigeria watched, Nigeria listened, Nigeria partnered.
From Arewa to the coast, west to east, one screen, one signal, one nation.
To our viewers, Mungu Ode, thank you for welcoming us into your homes.
To our corporate partners, Eshegon, thank you for trusting us with your brand, your messages, your ambitions.
Together, we share the news that matter, the stories that unite us, the service that strengthens our country.
To those who stayed with us, Ndewonu, Dalu, thank you for believing in a platform that stands for trust, authenticity, and reliability.
As the new year dawns, our promise is renewed. Greater commitment, stronger collaboration, higher professional standards.
More value for our clients, more quality for our viewers.
Because when Nigeria speaks, every voice must be heard.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for partnering. Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
NTA, you can't beat the rich.
Oh, what a wonderful world of Sure Clean detergent. Oh yes, you can have a clean and bright wash with Sure Clean. Sure Clean detergent is tough on stains, gentle on your hands, and leaves clothes smelling fresh. Oh see, for clean whites and all colors, Sure Clean detergent makes you shine. As you spread it all, you can see the shine of Sure Clean brightness. Now, wear your smile with pride and nothing to hide. Sure Clean detergent makes your family clean and happy. Sure Clean detergent, happiness with every wash.
From the break, Christians have been asked to embrace and live by the teachings that the birth of Jesus Christ symbolize, noting that these principles are essential for national unity and peaceful coexistence. Some religious leaders made the plea as the various message delivered during Christmas service held in Akure. Abiola Ariyo reports.
Christmas, according to history, commemorates the birth of Jesus Christ with a unique significance for Christians worldwide. Christians converged on their various worship centers in Akure to celebrate what they described as a special gift to humanity, expressing their gratitude to God through prayers and worship. The clergy, in their messages, urged Christians to emulate the exemplary life of Jesus Christ by embracing righteousness and promoting peace, just as he did during his time on earth.
He came to redeem us, to set us free from all our sins, and to reunite us with our Father in heaven.
We encourage every one of us to receive this December visitor into our hearts, accommodate him in our hearts, and let him take full control of our life, because he has come to do the work of our salvation.
Others speak on the virtues of Christ, which Christians must emulate in their daily living.
All Christians must be humble. That's number one. Must be honest. Must be truthful.
It all emanated from the love that God has for humanity, and we are expected to reciprocate the love.
The service gave the congregation the opportunity to intercede in prayers for the progress and prosperity of Ondo State and Nigeria in general. In Akure, Abiola Ariyo, NTA News.
Meanwhile, Christians in Ilorin today joined their counterparts across the world to commemorate the birth of Jesus Christ. In all churches visited, the message was for believers to show love to their neighbors as God has shown love to mankind by sending Jesus Christ to the world. Aisha Abubakar Yaya files in the report.
At the St. Barnabas Cathedral Church, Muritala, Bishop Sunday Adewale, who spoke on the greatest gift of God to mankind, noted that Christmas is a season of giving, and the greatest gift, according to him, is Jesus Christ, who was sent to redeem humanity. Contrary to a gift wrapped in a paper or tied with bow, he added, Jesus brought the gift of love, salvation, and peace, calling on Nigerians to embrace peace and shun all acts that can destabilize the peace of the nation.
God demonstrated his love, and that love was evidenced by sending his son, Jesus Christ, to die for us. So the onus lies on us as individuals, as recipients of that unmerited favor, that we should show love to our fellow brothers and sisters.
At the St. John's African Church, Maraba, it was all praises to God for the gift of Jesus Christ to the world. In his message, the Right Reverend Adefagbayi, who chronicled his message on God's love for mankind, disclosed that God's love was the most powerful life-changing love ever shown to humanity. He encouraged the government to ensure that the security challenges facing the nation is brought to an end.
Shouldn't celebrate and miss, that is out of context. They should celebrate within the context for which Christ came. Let them celebrate with love. Let them give. It is a time to share.
The service also featured a Thanksgiving session. Aisha Abubakar Yahaya, NTA News.
The Executive Secretary of the Nigerian Christian Pilgrim Commission (NCPC), Bishop Stephen Adibite, extends one felicitations to Christians worldwide on the occasion of Christmas. In his Christmas message, Bishop Adibite urged Christians to emulate the virtues of Jesus Christ, who despite his divinity came to liberate humanity. The NCPC boss encouraged Christians to use Christmas to show love and extend fellowship to people of other faiths, emphasizing that this season is about grace, joy, love, and peace. He also called for prayers for President Bola Tinubu, the Vice President, and the First Lady, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, for God's guidance. Bishop Adibite expressed optimism that Nigeria would overcome current challenges, becoming a force to be reckoned with. Noting that prayer remains the sustaining grace of Nigeria, he wished Christians a inch-free Christmas and a prosperous New Year. A mini hotel together with relaxation center aimed at reducing stress, provide comfortability, physical and mental recreation to the people and travelers around Orita Oja, area of Area J4 has been birthed. Anthony Ganduno again, who witnessed the inauguration of the facility at Orita Oja, Area J4 in Ijebu East Axis of Ogun State, quoted the owner of the facility, Oyebuchi Chikaniele, as saying the initiative is part of his desire to meet the relaxation need of the people around the area. His report.
The multi-million naira edifice of 3 buildings, ensuite, guest house and relaxation center and 13 rooms and a bar is located at Orita Oja, Area J4 in Ogun Waterside area of Ogun State. Speaking shortly after conducting NTA News crew round the facilities, the Chief Executive Officer of the project, Oyebuchi Chikaniele, said the initiative was born out of his desire to meet the stress reduction, physical and mental rejuvenation and habit formation needs of the people who are majorly forest reserve workers.
What I want to provide the Orita J4, because this type of something, they are looking for it. As they are looking for it, that's why I look this in. It's a problem to us. That's why I do this. So that we cannot get before when we need this thing, we went to Ijebu Ode, we went to Ore to go and enjoy ourselves. But now today I make it so that everybody will enjoy the thing in the community called Orita J4.
Oyebuchi revealed further that the facility will also provide a break from normal daily life to improve sleep, boost self-esteem, promote healthier lifestyle, relieve muscle tension, improve circulation, and enhance sleep quality. He added that he has enlisted the permission and support of all relevant agencies in Ogun State for a safe and a peaceful operation. The wife, Chidima Chikaniele, and an operator of a store pointed out that the establishment of the new facility will boost her business.
The hotel will assist my own business because they will sell juice and solve everything. So since that place is moving, our own will be moving too.
Some relatives, staff, and residents, while reacting, described the new guest house and the realization center as a boost to their standard of living in the environment.
Everything is very good. That is the best song to me. That is making well, which I train him to do in order according by the Father says. That is me.
You see, in this world, that is what part many things we need in this life. Progress and prosperity. The son is struggling very well.
Oyebu says a good person for it and get first. It's a good boy. It's a work.
His character is quite okay. He embraces everyone. He's a very magnanimous person.
They concluded that the new facility will not only offer a change of scenery and essential services, but also provide both temporary escapes and opportunities for significant lifestyle. From Orita J4 in Ogun Waterside Local Government, Anthony Gandonu, NTA News.
And that completes our bulletin for tonight. Join us tomorrow for more interesting stories. Compliments of the season. Good night.
May every move you make this festive season radiate with joy. Glow Unlimited.
From breaking news to heartwarming stories, NTA remains Nigeria's trusted voice. To our partners, government agencies, corporate bodies, political parties, and religious institutions, thank you. And to our millions of viewers, you are the reason we serve. Through every moment, big and small, we tell Nigeria's story with pride, balance, and integrity. As the new year begins, expect more, better programs, innovative storytelling, clearer signals, and fantastic broadcast deliveries that meet global standards. Together, we move forward with stories that matter. Nigerian Television Authority, Africa's largest network. You can't beat the reach.